Unveiling Your Innermost Thoughts, Understanding, Bare Your Soul. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, bare your soul. This expression is rich in meaning and often used in English conversations. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you grasp it fully. Bare your soul is an idiomatic expression in English. To bare something means to uncover or reveal it. And the soul is often thought of as the deepest, most personal part of oneself, comprising thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. So, when you bare your soul, you're opening up deeply, sharing your most intimate thoughts, feelings, or experiences with someone. It implies a level of trust and vulnerability. This phrase is often used in contexts where deep, personal revelations are made. It might be during a heartfelt conversation with a close friend, in a therapy session, or in a moment of confession. The key is the depth of sharing and the trust involved. It's not used for everyday, casual conversations. Instead, it's reserved for moments of significant emotional importance. For example, I bared my soul to her about my struggles last night. In his autobiography, he bares his soul about his journey. It's important to note that baring your soul can be culturally sensitive. Different cultures have varying norms about sharing personal information. In some cultures, this level of openness is encouraged, while in others, it might be less common. Always be mindful of these differences, especially when talking to people from various backgrounds. Bare your soul is a powerful expression that conveys deep emotional openness and vulnerability. It's used in contexts of trust and significant emotional sharing. Remember, while it's a beautiful aspect of human connection, always be sensitive to cultural norms around personal sharing. Hope this video has been enlightening and helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.